Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn computer system. Today we are going to learn computer system. This is our first chapter. So first of all, this computer is derived from the word compute. This computer is derived from the word compute. So compute means it is a calculation. First of all, we introduced computer only for the calculation purpose, but it's step-by-step development. Now we are using computer system in various fields, means everywhere we are using a computer. So again I am saying computer is a word derived from the compute. Compute means a calculation, and there is a full form for the computer. Computer full form is there in our first chapter, first page itself we can able to see. Commonly oriented machine, particularly used for trade and education research. It is very important. Again I am saying commonly oriented machine, particularly used for trade and education research. This full form is very important. You have to learn. After this, in our book, there is a characteristics of computer. There are mainly 7 characteristics of computer. There are mainly 7 characteristics of computer. So if you are going to the characteristics, first one is the speed. After accuracy. After reliable. After versatile. And reduction in manpower. At last, so these are the 7 characteristics of computer you have to learn. So here I written only a topics. Based on this, we have to read your book and you have to make 2 lines. Means we have to write by your own words 2 lines for each. If it is coming in a 3 mark, you have to write any 3. You can mark any 3 as you wish. Which one you want, we can select any 3 in this 7. If it is coming in long answers, we have to write at least 5. This is the characteristics of computer. First one is the speed. Computer will perform in a high speed, and its speed is measured by megahertz, means a million instruction per second. MIPS means a CPU speed, also we can say million MIPS, million instruction per second. And accuracy, computer will perform 100%, means 99.9 we cannot able to say. Computer will perform 100% accuracy. And reliability, and what the answer we are getting within a second, it will be accurate and it will be reliable. Means we can, already I explained this all in our chapter. You have to read and you have to make by your own words. And next one is a versatile. Versatile means what the computer we are using in a home, same computer we can use in the schools, colleges, everywhere. Means a computer we can able to use in a multiple place. Anywhere means if you are going to the shopping or if you are going to the cinema means any movie theater or any office, anywhere, railway station, anywhere wherever you go, we can able to use a computer. That is called virtual means various places we can able to use. Reduction in manpower. 4-5 persons are calculating. Means 4-5 person work a single computer can able to do. So when computer is developing day by day, example, good example is a robot we can able to say. While Corona time, humans replaced by a robots. Many cities we can able to see. After reduction in paperwork. So when we store data in a computer, no need to write in a paper. Means we are saving a paper. Once if you store in a computer, whenever you want, we can able to retry. After storage capacity, how much we can able to store, that much you can able to store. Only you have to upgrade your hardware devices. So these are the 7 characteristics of computer. You have to learn. After these characteristics, there is a limitations of computer. Limitations of computer, there is only 2 points. Okay. Limitations of computer, only 2 points. First one is a thinking ability. And the second is a power. Computer is having a 0 IQ, means computer cannot able to think what it is doing, whether it is correct or not. Computer cannot able to think. Whatever instruction given by user, humans, whatever instruction we are giving, computer will perform that task only. So that's why we are telling limitations of thinking. First one is the thinking. Computer is having 0 mind. Means we can able to say IQ. 0 IQ. Next one is the power consumption. If there is no power, computer will off. Computer will not perform. So these are the only 2 limitations of computer. And this question is very, very important. Maximum in your all examination you can able to see this limitations of computer, or in characteristics of computer you can able to see at least 1 question. Means in this 2 at least 1 question will come. Applications of computer. Students, in your book there are total 18 applications of computer they given. Means applications means in which field we are using a computer. In our book they given bank, military, media, office, schools, like that they given different various field. So total 18 fields are there. We have to learn that 18 field. Means just like a newspaper, just you have to learn. Means just you have to learn, see once and you have to write in your examination. So wherever they are using banks, schools, media, office, military, research, like this, the total 18 fields are there. We have to just go through once. Okay, so no need to go deeply, just they given a slightly. After this, in our book computer, we can able to say a computer is a combination of hardware and software. Means when we are using computer, it is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, so these are things you have to understand, because when we are seeing a computer, it is a physical component. Computer is a physical thing, and when we are working, we are using a software. So computer is a combination of hardware and software. We can able to say like that also. So thanks for watching today, and upcoming video I will explain remaining topic.